Imagine a future where AI not only understands our commands, but anticipates our needs. A future where AI supports us in all aspects of our lives. Welcome to the world of AutoGPT. As we gaze into the crystal ball of artificial intelligence, one thing is clear. The future is bright, and AutoGPT is a shining star in this constellation. This revolutionary technology is transforming the AI landscape, making it more accessible and efficient, and turning what was once science fiction into an everyday reality. AutoGPT is not just contributing to the AI revolution, it's leading it. It's breaking down barriers, democratizing access and accelerating progress. It's not just about understanding commands, but about anticipating needs, about being a partner in all aspects of our lives, from work to play, from mundane tasks to complex challenges. In this brave new world of AI, AutoGPT is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's not just about what AI can do, it's about what we can do with AI. It's about unlocking potential, fostering innovation, and shaping a future where AI is not just a luxury, but a necessity, not just an option, but an expectation. The future is here, and AutoGPT is leading the charge. Now let's delve into how you can harness the power of AutoGPT. Embarking on your AutoGPT journey may seem daunting, but worry not, it's simpler than you think. First things first, you need to set up your working environment. This involves downloading and installing the necessary software such as Python and TensorFlow. You'll also need to ensure you have a stable internet connection, as AutoGPT relies on cloud-based processing. Once your setup is ready, it's time to dive into the world of AutoGPT. Start by visiting the AutoGPT website. Here you'll find a wealth of resources at your disposal. Most importantly, you'll find the free AutoGPT Start Guide. This guide is your roadmap, providing a step-by-step walkthrough on how to use AutoGPT. The guide begins with an introduction to AutoGPT, explaining what it is and how it works. It then dives into the specifics, outlining how to implement AutoGPT in your work. This includes how to train your model, how to test it, and how to interpret the results. But the guide doesn't just stop at the basics, it also provides tips and tricks to get the most out of AutoGPT. For example, it offers advice on how to optimize your model, how to troubleshoot common issues, and how to keep up to date with the latest AI news and developments. As you work through the guide, don't be afraid to experiment and explore. AutoGPT is a powerful tool, but its true potential is unlocked when you use it creatively. Try different settings, tweak the parameters, and test out new ideas. Remember, every failure is a step closer to success. Finally, don't forget to reach out to the AutoGPT community. Whether you're facing a technical issue or just looking for some inspiration, the community is there to help. You'll find forums, blogs, and social media groups filled with AI enthusiasts just like you, all eager to share their knowledge and experience. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering AutoGPT. But the journey doesn't end here. As we wrap up our journey into the world of AutoGPT, there are a few key points to keep in mind. Firstly, AutoGPT is a game changer in the realm of artificial intelligence. It is not just another AI tool, but a significant stride into the future. It is designed to learn and adapt, to comprehend and generate human-like text, making it a vital tool in our ever-expanding digital landscape. Secondly, getting started with AutoGPT is a breeze. You don't have to be an AI expert to harness the power of this tool. The creators of AutoGPT have made it user-friendly, offering a step-by-step guide to help you implement it in your work. They are committed to making your journey as smooth as possible, offering tips, tricks, and news related to AI, ensuring you're always up to date and ready to conquer any challenges that come your way. Thirdly, the potential of AutoGPT is vast. It's not limited to a specific field or industry. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, customer service, or even academic research, AutoGPT can revolutionize your work. It's designed to handle a range of tasks, from drafting emails to generating creative content, making it an invaluable asset in diverse fields. But remember, as with any AI tool, it's essential to use AutoGPT responsibly. While it's an incredibly powerful tool, it's up to us, the users, to ensure that it's used ethically and responsibly. We're not just users of this groundbreaking technology, we're also its caretakers. So let's take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is AutoGPT. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a tool that combines the power of artificial intelligence with the charm of human-like text. It's a tool that's here to make our lives easier, to help us achieve more, and to shape the future of AI. With AutoGPT, the future of AI is in your hands. Harness its power and shape the future today.